Hi, today we're talking about what the Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act is. The Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act, or CPFTA, provides rules that allow consumers who are aggrieved by unfair retail practices to have recourse to a civil claim in the courts or the Small Claims Tribunals for their case. The purpose of the CPFTA is to eliminate unethical, unfair, improper business conduct by giving consumers protection in two main types of situations. The first, where the supplier of goods has used unfair practices to induce the consumer. This could include misrepresentation or an omission to state important information. The second type of case is where the supplier of goods provides goods that don't conform to the applicable contract, meaning faulty goods. In each of these situations, the Act allows the consumer to ask for compensation or corrective measure from a court. For unfair practices, a consumer can make a claim for damages or compensation as long as the amount doesn't exceed $30,000. The consumer may also choose to pursue a claim concurrently to the CPFTA and abandon the claim for any amount that is in excess of the specified limit. An alternative solution available under the Act is an injunction or a declaration from a court that can prohibit or stop the supplier from continuing to carry out the unfair practice. For the supply of goods that don't conform to the contract, the supplier is given a reasonable amount of time to schedule or to replace the goods. If the supplier fails to do this, the consumer can ask for assistance from the court for something called specific performance of the supplier's responsibilities, and specific performance is a remedy that allows the court to compel, to force the business to carry out a specific type of action. The orders that will follow if they fail to do this is contempt of court, and the supplier may also reduce the amount to be paid for the goods or rescind the contract of the sale of goods as a remedy as well. If you have a dispute with a retailer over consumer goods and services which you have not been able to resolve, you can approach the Consumers Association of Singapore case for advice and assistance. They handle consumers and business disputes, and in a mediation with them you'll have the opportunity to put forward the side of your case and try to explain and try to give the details of the unfair practice so that they can understand it. You should try to write it down and discuss it with someone before the mediation to better prepare yourself for that too. So there you have it, some very basic information on the Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act and how it works to help consumers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.